Hello, buddy. This is Robert Hollis. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. 2025 is going to be the best year ever. I'm telling you, I haven't done a live in a long, long time. And this is why. There's a lot of things that are happening in 2025. It's funny, I seen a Twitter post that Craig Jackman shared. And one of the things is when it talks about mathematics, it's like the perfect number 2025. And, there's just so many things that are going to happen in 2025. I just feel it. And there's like two groups of people. There's one group of people that may feel like it's not going to be the best year ever. I personally know that it's going to be the best year ever. And the reason why is I used to tell people how to create a perfect day. And how you create a perfect day is very simple. You imagine it. You just imagine it. Now, I imagine it before I go to bed. So when I go out there and I just imagine how my day is going to go, and this is part of like the 6 phase meditation, you can go to roberthollis.com/gifts. And I have a lot of gifts there, including that. But one of the things I want each and every one of you to know is that I always promote this thing at the beginning of each year. And it's by Earl Nightingale. No one has had an audio or a video that has gotten this widely heard. But it's called The Strangest Secret. You can look it up on YouTube. And if you would listen to that every single day for 30 days to start out the new year, including today, it's really, really short. But what it talks about is the strangest secret that makes things happen for people is you become what you think about the most. Whoa, think about that. You become what you think about the most. And so a lot of people, and I know that you would agree with me, probably think about a lot of things they shouldn't be thinking. But that's also using your power of imagination. So, imagination is the most marvelous, magnificent power that's ever been created. People always want to learn something, they want knowledge so they can build skills. But without imagination, nothing happens. Nothing happens. Albert Einstein has said that imagination is way more important than knowledge, along with Walt Disney. If you went to Google and put in quotes, imagination quotes, you will be blown away with how many people that say that imagination, including myself, my whole years of success is based on me imagining being on a stage, giving a speech, receiving a trophy. If someone else can do it, why can't I do it? And so imagination is more than anything. But how many people do you know spend time every single day with the intent, making the decision that they're going to imagine a future for themselves, a better future for them and the people that they love? But think about this, everything that you have, every single thing that you've created, you thought and imagined the outcome before it happened, whether it's passing a test or building something or getting in a relationship, maybe imagining getting a job, maybe imagining getting a raise, maybe imagining getting a lot of people on your brand or your YouTube channel. It's like you have to have that imagination first. So if you make a time to deliberately, with intent, imagine a better future for yourself and do it as many times as you can. When I first got involved in dreaming and imagining, believe it or not, it was always about you had to do a vision board. So you would cut things out of magazines. This was before the internet, and we would go to a library or a bookstore, and we would get like the Rob Report, and we would get all these magazines, and we'd cut the cars out, and cut the homes, and cut the boats out, and cut locations to go on vacation, and we would cut them out and then put them on a vision board that you would look at every single day. And all of a sudden, the internet was created. Do you believe that internet was an idea? Do you believe that internet was a vision board? Just like email. Wow, can you imagine? Can you actually imagine that you could just jump on here and talk to tens of thousands, millions of people? So now podcasts, you got the most knowledgeable people on the planet that are now doing podcasts and sharing their wisdom and their knowledge and what to do on a podcast. And it's like, are you kidding me? Right now, Google is, of course, the most viewed site in the planet. But below that is YouTube, what I'm going on live right now. We're right at, getting close to 100,000 views. And I want to teach each person and show them how to do this. So, again, getting back to imagination. So, 2025 is not only the year to thrive, but to truly be alive in 2025. And right now, because of the internet, YouTube, all these social medias, you now can seek out the very best people that have already done it, not saying they're going to do it. They've already done it. And they're willing, like I am, for free to share exactly what to do. So, to 2025 to be the best year ever, I'm suggesting to you to Google or go on YouTube and put the strangest secret in the world and listen to it every day. Allow it to get into you. The next step is to listen to the 6 phase meditation by Vision Lakhani. Again, you can YouTube it or you can find it on roberthollis.com gifts. And when you do that, you're going to realize that you have to deliberately take time every single day to imagine and become an imaginator. An imaginator is someone that gets emotionally involved in their imagination. And when you do that, that's when you cause all these things you've heard about. For a lack of vision, people perish. You also The Secret, by Rhonda Byrne. All she did is share a book, The Science of Getting Rich, and the concept of imagination and hanging around other people that have that kind of imagination, so it rubs off on you. Manifestation, the law of attraction, all of that stuff comes from working and getting your imagination back deliberately, spending time on it each and every day. So I wanted to do a quick video because I know 2025 will be one of the best years I've ever had for me and my family. And my goal was simply to inspire you that if me, then why not you? If others, why not you? If not this, then what? We live in the greatest times that have ever been here. Some people are scared of it. Other people are going to embrace it and ride that wave because it's just like a wave. You got a bunch of people that first, they're no concept of ever surfing, not interested, don't know anything about it. You got a second group of people that know about it. That's just not me. Then you got other people that will paddle out there without any lessons. Really smart, you know? And then you got some people that go out there and they just keep passing each wave up. They just keep passing it up. And it's like, wow, you can do this. So I love and appreciate you. Thank you very much for sharing this video. I hope you'd share it with some people that it'll inspire. The other thing I want to say is if no one's giving you permission to succeed in life, if no one's giving you permission to succeed and be happy and be fulfilled, let me do that for you. My mentors did that for me. So, I think I got over 2,500, 2,600 videos on this YouTube channel. You can search by anything. And I'm here to share with you exactly the wisdom and the inspiration and also the imagination that my mentors shared with me. I love and appreciate you, even though I don't know you. I believe in you. And I know for a fact that you can do anything you want. You have to imagine it first. So take care. God bless. And we'll see you soon.